Merhaba everyone, welcome to the place where we explore Turkey through its incredible cuisine. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes Turkish cuisine so special. It's a harmonious blend of flavors, a tapestry woven with a rich history and diverse cultural influences. Turkish cuisine has a bit of everything, from savory kebabs to sweet baklava and everything in between. Now let's explore some of the iconic dishes that define Turkish cuisine. One cannot talk about Turkish food without mentioning kebabs. Whether it's Adana kebab, shish kebab, döner kebab, the succulent meats seasoned with aromatic spices are a delight for the senses. And how can we forget about mezes? These are small appetizers that pack a punch of flavors. Hummus, dolma, cacik, a yogurt-based sauce that cools the palate. A variety of mezes is outstanding, reflecting the diversity of Turkish regions. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the art of Turkish coffee. It's not just a beverage, it's a ritual. The finely ground coffee beans, water, and sugar are brewed together, creating a strong, aromatic elixir served in small cups. The fortune-telling aspect of reading coffee grounds adds a touch of mystique to the experience. No meal is complete without a sweet ending, and Turkish desserts are in a league of their own. Baklava, with its layers of thin dough, nuts, and honey, is a true masterpiece. Then there's künefe, a delicate mix of shredded pastry and sweet cheese soaked in syrup, a symphony of textures and tastes. The beauty of Turkish cuisine lies in its rich history and culinary influences. From the Ottoman Empire to the Silk Road, Turkish food has been shaped by centuries of trade and conquest. The use of spices, herbs, and cooking techniques showcase the diverse tapestry of Turkish culinary traditions. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of Turkish cuisine. From savory kebabs to sweet desserts, every bite tells a story. So the next time you savor a piece of baklava or enjoy a cup of Turkish coffee, remember the centuries of tradition and culture that have shaped these delightful dishes. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe for more culinary adventures. And as we say in Turkey, afiyet olsun, bon appetit.